Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
That was wrong.
Yeah, Reddit come up with some dark shit, bro. That was all Reddit.
Yeah, Reddit's just
Creating BB podcast is very fun, and by the end of the video, I'll teach you a very step-by-step guide on how you can create BB podcast for free without wasting any time. Let's get to the video. I'm Adit, and you're watching Skill Curve. So first, we'll talk about the first step of the video, which is going to be finding the clip. Okay, so first of all, we have to find a podcast clip that will be used for creating the most further podcast for the kids and baby version. So what you can do is to find the podcast, you can simply go to the YouTube and you can search your favorite podcast. It could be Joe Rogan or whatever the podcast you want to make baby version of. That's totally up to you, by the way. You can just choose it and download the entire podcast, and then we will do our work. Or if you don't want to copy the entire podcast, you can make your own one. That's totally up to you, by the way. Steps will be the same. Okay, so now we are into the CapCut, the video editor, which is very simple, by the way. If you don't know much editing, it will still work, by the way. If you want to create such more editing, good looking video, you can go for another software, but CapCut is more than enough. So CapCut, come here and we will import the clip which we downloaded, the podcast clip from the internet. So now this is the podcast clip here on our timeline. Just drag and drop here to our timeline stream. And now it's time to cut the part here. Now we will cut the most part here, like we will trim the most part here. Like for example, this entire podcast, just watch it and just pin the scene which is pretty interesting, and then crop it and then just trim it, and the main part lives here. And once the main part is here, you can simply go to the export button, and here you can just simply see the basic video editing options. Do not click here, just uncheck the video option and scroll down a little bit, and you can see the audio option. Check it and just export it to the MP3. Now your podcast audio is exported, and this is very important step, by the way. I'll tell you why. So just export the audio and that's it. Simple. Now you can go to the those clip of the podcast, and here just click a snapshot and capture the frame of one character, then second character. For example, you can see on the screen I have done the same which I told you. So now we have the images ready and the audio ready. What we will do next is use the ChatGPT to enhance it. Okay, simply go to the ChatGPT. Do nothing, it's not a big prompt. Just say upload the first capture frame we downloaded from the podcast and say make them look like baby, and that's it. It's the simple prompt which is used. Okay, so just say make this photo into a baby and make sure to make it 9:16. This will help us to create a very vertical kind of video which you can use on reels and all the TikTok stuff. Okay, now just simply click here and ChatGPT will start generating the image out of it, and you can see the ChatGPT generated a very kid version of that with mic and background are looking pretty interesting, pretty detailed. So I can say ChatGPT is doing absolutely good when it comes to generating images. Okay, we got the first image. Now we'll do the same with the second image we downloaded. We'll just do the same, just paste it the second capture frame, and we'll say the same, make the baby version of this image, and here we get our two interesting characters. Now it's time to make them video animated. So we will go to the hydra.com. Okay, so please go to the hydra.com, and here you can see a simple interface. You can log in if you don't have, and you'll get some free credit, by the way, at least 300 credits at first, a monthly credit. And now we'll see how we can use it. Okay, so we'll simply go to the hydra.com, and here you can simply click on the creating video, and once you click on generating video option, you can see a very simple ChatGPT lookalike interface, and here you can select the Hydra Character 3, VO2, VO3. There's so many models like Minimax, Kling, but once again they are not fully unlocked. You have to buy premium for that. For free version, you can see Hydra Character 3, which is also more than enough, by the way. Okay, now you can see the ratio here. You can simply click on the 9:16, and this will make a video look like vertical real version. Okay, here you can select the resolution, go with 720p, and here you can you can select your duration, but it should be auto, so you don't have to worry about the entire script and stuff. Okay, now you can right side, you can see beside the arrow there's an audio script. So audio script will be where we'll upload our CapCut audio which we exported. Remember, just simply click here and you can see upload audio option. Just upload that audio which we always wanted to, and here in the start frame just simply paste that ChatGPT downloaded kids image first image will be the first character, and the later we will continue this thing. Okay, now once we have uploaded all the necessary details which is required, we will do one thing that is very simple. We will generate a prompt, and you can say a prompt would be simple, like, make this baby look like he's talking naturally on a podcast, add realistic mouth movement and light head motion like he's in conversation, and that's it. I think that's more than enough to make this kid look like it's pretty realistic. Okay, that's not a big prompt. You can even copy it from description. I have given all the necessary link, by the way, and once you click on that orange arrow, it will start generating the entire video. It will take some time because Hydra is pretty busy, by the way, but wait, we got the video. Okay, so video, we have got it, and you can see the video is looking so fun. Actually, you can see the remix in the video option, but just avoid that option. Okay, you can see the video is pretty fun and it's literally looking so realistic that we all need it, right? Now you can simply click on download button, which is beside the deleted button, and your video will be downloaded. Okay, now we'll go to the same process again. We will upload the same audio which we downloaded from CapCut, and we will paste the second character screen frame which we capture, remember, and we will do the same prompt like the talking motion head and make it look like it's realistically talking, and that's it. We'll get another video of the character and we will just again download it. So now we both have baby videos of those podcast characters. Now next thing you need to do is simple. Just bring it to the CapCut, and here we'll do the most editing part. Okay, now let's go to the CapCut where the project continued. Here you can see the clip we just cropped it. It's right above the layer, so we'll just paste those videos right above that as a layer so we can know when the screen is getting changed, so we can get more audience retention time. Okay, so we have this screen right now and we just uploaded it on the layer, and we'll slowly preview the clip to see what kind of video we are getting. Okay, we'll slowly preview it, and we'll see whenever the camera changes to the another one, we will just crop out the first video and it will show another character, yeah, the baby one which we downloaded from Hydra. So this way we will get our best kid postcard with different camera shots, with different camera angles. So this way we can actually make such a cool baby version podcast and can actually increase a lot of viewership on your shorts and memes videos. Totally, the use case depends on you, but it's really a fun way to engage your products too. Okay, so this is the final preview, I guess.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
That was wrong.
Yeah, Reddit come up with some dark shit, bro. That was all Reddit.
Yeah, Reddit's disgusting.
You can see on the CapCut screen, and it's looking realistically very cool. Okay, the way these people are talking. Hydra made such a genius move to make lip sync this level of cool, and I'm very impressed. The audio is also very realistic. It's almost the same audio that people were talking about, and now we got the best out of it. Okay, we have now the podcast ready, but there's something missing, right? Right, the captions, right? That makes the more fun videos. So we'll go to the CapCut caption option and you can select your caption. But wait, captions are the pro version. So if you don't have a pro version of CapCut, you may lack some good captions. So what you can do is, I have also a tool for that. Okay, just simply go to the submagic.go, and this is where you can get the best caption. Okay, just simply go here and log in. If you get login first time, you'll get 3 videos free trial. So yeah, you can get 3 videos without any fee, and then you can continue the charging and subscription. That's totally up to you. That's not me to decide. Okay, once you go there, and here now go to some magic. Here just simply go to the new project. Here just upload a video and make sure the video, you can select your different kind of accents, language, speaker, and that's totally up to you. Click on generate caption, and once it will take some 30 seconds and it will start your video generating, and now it will show you choose a style of your different captions, and that's totally up to you which you want to choose. You can choose Beast One and Ali, Maya, and it's totally up to you. You can choose any of them, and then just simply click on them and it will start generating the caption of the video. Okay, one thing you can do is you can also layer the caption on the right side of the screen, middle of the screen, and below of the screen. But I would say in the middle of the screen it looks much better and much more comedy type. So yeah, maybe it's more engaging, so just take it in the middle and it will work fine even anywhere. Okay, you can select the color, you can select the background, strokes, and glow, totally up to you. and that's it. You can get now update and export the video, and that's it. Your entire Baby Kit podcast is ready in just simple steps without spending a lot of money. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.